Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am back with another video on popular demand on leaf craft. It is another video on the series on leaf carving. You will definitely enjoy watching the video. Some of my viewers have asked that is it compulsory to sketch? Normally I don't sketch it, but if you are doing it for the first time, you can sketch by using a pencil. So I have directly started by using my blade because I have an idea what I have to make. I am carving today the figure of one of the constellation, that is the hunter. So watch and do try along with me. The step by step I have selected a leaf and now I am cutting the body structure of the hunter. As you are watching the video, do press the notification bell icon for any update on the new video which I make, so that you don't miss out on the new video being posted. Those of you who are watching the video and have tuned in for the first time, I make series on leaf carving and I do carving on different types of leaves and cut out structures which resemble different shapes. So do give your comments in the suggestion in the description box. The cutting of a leaf can be done by using any knife, and of course you have to take care that you don't hurt yourself. The shape comes out when you cut out at different angles. The portion which you cut out and is not required, we have to pull out gently so that the leaf doesn't break out. The main figure will be the leaf portion and the part which has been cut is gently removed. That is the upper portion of the figure which I have cut out. Now you will observe that the leaf is not very sturdy. It is a delicate leaf. So according to the structure of the leaf, we have to move out the parts and we have to cut and hold the leaf so that it does not get distorted or get cut at the wrong place. After you have tried doing this on your own, come back to the video and give your comments in the description box so that I can know that my viewers are actually benefiting. We make a structure on the leaf depending upon the structure of the leaf. So this figure which I was making on the leaf was a vertical one, so I have placed the leaf vertically. If the figure is a horizontal one, then we place the figure horizontally so that the wider area can be utilized. Working on delicate leaf is slightly difficult. If you work on a hard leaf, then it is comparatively easier. If you work on a hard or a sturdy leaf, then it looks like you are working on a paper. Now I have completed the lower portion and the sword of the hunter has been cut. The upper portion of the figure will be cut now. So this figure is almost complete. Now the finishing touch well, it's almost done. Do watch other videos which are on my channel, and their links I have given above in the description. There are some videos whose videos I have given in the description box. Do watch them and give your comments also. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and there also you can follow and watch the videos and give comments there. Well, thanks for watching. If you want a video to be made on a particular shape, then do give me your comments. I will definitely try to make one. Thank you.